Put a finger down if you know this viral funk. Put a finger down for each funk music you know. If you put more than 5 fingers down, you're the king or queen of social media trend. Easy mode. Bonus round. Put a finger down if you're one of the rare trend experts to subscribe and like the video. Now let's upgrade to normal mode. Put a finger down if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person that pops up when you click share and then more. Now expert mode. Type in the comments how